Hello everyone, welcome back to my spoken English practice series. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic. The topic is why I practice English alone. So, if you are learning English and you don't have an English partner, then this video is especially for you. In the beginning, learning when I started learning English, then I had so many problems. I feel shy, I feel afraid, I was afraid of making mistakes, I was scared, and I think about I don't have confidence, I don't know grammar rules, I don't know enough vocabulary to speak, and I don't have anyone to practice with me, and I don't have any English partner that don't judge me, only help me to learn English. But so many problems are there, but I don't have no one to practice with me. Then, and thinking of these things, I never started learning and I never start speaking in English because of these things. But one day I realized if I never start, I will never learn spoken English, I will never improve myself. Then I decided one thing, that is practice alone, and it is very important for me because it really works for me. How? Because for this, I practice in front of mirror, I practice and record myself in my mobile camera. So by doing this, I do these things every day. For this, I choose a topic and read about this topic, then I speak 5 to 10 minutes about this topic. After that, I record this in my mobile phone. So in alone, I do all these things that needed for spoken English learning. I read English, listen English, I speak English, and I record myself and then watch my videos, and I found my mistakes, about all mistakes, where I wrong in terms of English, where I wrong in terms of words, in pronunciation, and a way of expression, way of convey a message to audience. So all these things I found in my videos by myself. So I am my first viewer of my video, and I think it is the best way because here no one, and I have no fear, and I have no one to judge me, and no one to laughing at me, and no one to say wrong me. I am only person that found my mistakes in my videos. So this is really works for me, and whenever I do all these things, I learn new things, I improve my confidence, remove fear, and improve my thinking. All these things improve, and all over these things improve my whole personality and my confidence. So I think this is very important to practice, because if I wait for people that that someday someone came for me and help me in learning English, then it will be never happened, because no one to hear to teach you and to improve you. So just start, and I decided I'm not I will not wait for anyone, and I start to speak. And if you speak daily, speak slowly, speak every day, it is very important, because broken English is better than no English. So this is my opinion about my English journey, because before this I think all the about all these things, and I had never started it to learn spoken English. So, and practice is very important things for learn any skills, whatever it may be. Mm, but now I am learning spoken English, so I do practice every day. uh, and I do practice alone. Sometime I practice in front of mirror, sometime I practice in front of my mobile camera, and sometime I watch English videos, I listen English podcast, and so many things I'm doing right now. But still I am not perfect in English, I am not fluent in English, I don't know grammar rules, but still I am learning, I am improving, and I improve myself every day by doing all these things, by recording myself in my mobile camera and speak in English daily. Maybe it may be 2 or 3 minutes. I record myself every day, even 2 or 3 minutes, even 5 to 10 minutes. It depends, but I do regularly these things. So this is very important, and I think it really works for me. If you are also a learner, a beginner, to improve and to learn spoken English, so I think this is best way to learn. And you also escape you from laughing and judgment. So practicing alone is very important, and if you have an English partner, and then it will be good for you. But if you are not comfortable or with someone, then you can practice alone, but do practice regularly. Without practice, you never improve your English. So this is important for everyone. And thank you so much watching my videos. And I practice daily English on this channel. So if you are also a learner, beginner, and learn two new skills, then this channel for you. Please subscribe this channel. Let's start learn, and share my videos, comment my mistakes, so I improve myself accordingly. And thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.